I am Yashvi Singh, pupil of Swami Shraddhanand Ji Maharaj. His ashram situated in Rani Sarai, Bkhtiarpur, Bihar. His thoughts I have translated in English. A devotee asked a question: what differences between Gita and Yatharth Gita? It is major topic today's. It is no differences between Gita and Yatharth Gita. There are 700 verses in Gita, praise Gorakhpur, and same verses in Yatharth Gita. But there are great differences between it. Gita, praise Gorakhpur, has not cleared its sense. Also, Yatharth Gita has cleared its sense. On the logic basis, Yatharth Gita, written by Swami Alaghanand Ji Maharaj. Once upon a time, Swami Alaghanand Ji Maharaj went to Dada's Gurus in ashram. Dada Gurus ordered him, you wrote comment on Gita. But he did not attention. He also thought it is useless matter, and he ignored it. After some time, he went to Varanasi for singing its praises of God. One day, he was sitting in penance. A bodiless sound comes up in heart, and again ordered him, you try comments on Gita. He thought, I have declined it by my penance. But he was not success. It is said, divine powers is super, who affected anything of else. He come back in his Guru's ashram and try to write comments on it. But he is living in very poorer condition. He has out of pocket. He stood up near the dhuna. It is some money donated on it, but he don't touch it because it is not correct of views. One day, a donator donate a Gorakhpur Press Gita on Dhuna. Gurus indicated, took it and try again. He wrote and got a success. It is major point. What is differences between Gita and Yatharth Gita? It is great differences. Gorakhpur Press Gita has not cleared its sins. For example, Gita describes Akshauhini soldiers stood between Kaurav and Pandavas, but it has not cleared what means of Akshauhini. It is major obvious, but Yatharth Gita declared it in very easy motion. For example, Akshauhini means 6 Arab soldiers. It is a lot of counting of numbers. What have he eaten? What have he drinken? It is major problem. Its real sense is no any soldiers stood in both, because it is conflict of soul and great soul. It is conflict of internal, intuitional, divine power. Next point, Arjun asked Lord Krishna, "Oh God, where do you live?" Lord Krishna replied in easy motion, "I live in man's heart." Just like same, Sant Kabir said, neither gods in Kashi nor in Kaaba, he lives in man's heart. Next point, Gita Press Gorakhpur has not cleared what is sense of Sanatan Dharma, what is impure knowledge, what is yajna, what is real work, and what is category of race. But Yatharth Gita has declared what perfect of means of it. Thank you. I have met you in next episode.